Horsley Hills, a hidden gem in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Just 160 kilometers from Bangalore, a 3 to 4 hour drive, making it a perfect weekend getaway for folks from the city. Arrive early for the sunrise to experience the best of the weather. The Whisper Winds viewpoint is a must-visit, providing an almost heavenly atmosphere. You can even witness the enchanting sight of clouds forming right before your eyes. Walking through the forest in foggy weather is an incredible adventure. Horsley Hills is a quiet and uncrowded place. You can easily get around the entire hill station with roads leading to every spot. The area around this spot has some nice lakes, don't miss them. Please read the description for location details.